Hello, my name is Eng.Abbas Samadi. In this training, I'm going to show you how we can use Strubim STEEL software. Strubim STEEL is belong to the Cype company, which is the steel modeling software. First of all, I'm going to launch Strubim STEEL. This software is a free application. When we enter to the first page, we have a 4 parts: file, which is we can create new project, file manager for opening the previous project, and examples, which is the example belong to the Cype company. The recent files, let's go back to the previous project. We have a help, we have a BIM server.center. I will open the project still, which I created in a previous time. Okay. I want to add a connection for this column, so I'm going to the select connection. In the available connection, we have a category that if you go to the Baseplate or beam to the beam connection or bracing or a tabular section or column to the beam section or the splices or additional reinforcement for creating and adding to the connection. And we have a different types. We have a accepted section that are available for us, and we have a 3D view. In the 3D view, we can see the 3D, and if I click to the different kind of base plate, it will be shown in the 3D view. It means it's interactive. You can see also for the beam, it's the same that you can see. Okay, I'm going back to the base plate. I'm choosing the base plate, then I click to the accept. Then I'm choosing the center of the column. You can see the base plate dialog box will be open for me, and we have a plate box, we have stiffeners, we have anchors, and we have bolts. In the plate, we can define the size of the plate. We can add the hole that you can see, and we have a shear key. Okay, I want to change the size of the base plate. I want to add 200 millimeter and the DT 200 millimeter, and for DL 200 millimeter, and for DR 200 millimeter. And the thickness, I want to decrease the size to the 10 millimeter. And in the stiffener, we can define the different shape for the stiffener that you can see. And we have an anchor. Here I want to add for size of the anchor 200 millimeter, and this one minus 200 and minus 200. And this one is 200. and for this one 75, and this one 75, and for this one minus 100 and minus 100. And you can see if you want to change the shape of the anchors, you can change to this shape and decrease. And if I want to add the washer, you can see I add the washer. After that I click accept. You can see the connection for the column to the base plate was created. And if I click to the 3D orbit, I can 3D, and I can 3D the whole structure. If I want to see section perpendicular to the global x-axis, I can click to this icon. I can see the cut section for the column to the base plate, and even for the beam to the column for this section, for beam to the column. And also if I want to add to the global y-axis to see the section, I can move it from this side, and also for the z-axis. You can see if I click to the orbit, I can see from the top. Also, if you click to the projection, you can see from the projection in the z axis or xy. You can see from the top. Then if you click to the projection type, you can see from the projection type. And if you click to the 3D view, you can see in a 3D view box. If you turn off the section in the X or Y or Z axis, you can see in the projection type. And if I click to the 3D orbit, I can 3D the whole structure. Okay, thank you very much for your attention to my presentation. Make sure that you subscribe my channel, that you can receive the newest video in the future. I hope that you enjoy from my movies. Thank you very much.